how to activate your DBS bank ATM or debit card using your mobile app. So if you want to activate your DBS bank ATM or debit card using your mobile app, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your DBS DG bank app. If you don't have it, you can go with your Play Store. From the Play Store, you can go with search, and here you need to search for DBS DG bank app and then install the application. Once done, you need to tap on open, and then you'll have this kind of interface. Now you need to tap on login, which will be on the bottom. After that, here you want to enter your credentials. So go ahead and enter the user ID, then enter your PIN and tap on the login option. Once you're logged in, go to the menu, which is on the top left corner of your screen. Under the menu section, you need to select My Account, and from the drop-down menu, you need to select Activate Debit Card. Then enter the 3-digit CVV mentioned on the flip side of your card and tap on Verify. After verifying, you will be able to set your 4-digit PIN, proceed further to activate your debit card, and in this way, you'll be able to easily activate your ATM or debit card, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.